Hi guys, it's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. It's just a really quick video just to share with you the new Daphne's diary that's arrived just in my through the post this morning. Number 7 this one is, and I just thought I'd do a quick share really. So it's beautiful with the autumnal colours and quite neutral on the back. Let's open it up and have a look and see. I love these. Dark and cosy, that says. Daphne. I love these muted colours. It's a lady in Austria. Look at all these plants. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. Baked apples with cinnamon and walnuts. Like that. Just about to, well, I have been dabbling with my custom order for the lovely Paulette, who's been very patient, and one of the things we're going to, one of her journals is a Daphne's diary that I've been collecting and putting signatures together for, and we'll be looking to complete with gusto really over the next few days now that the Traveller's journals are done. Oh, look at all this beautiful jewellery. Cappuccino and chocolate meringues. How yummy is that? Beautiful. Love these leaves. I'm loving these leaves. A walking weekend in Roseland, Cornwall. Love Cornwall, but I've never heard of Roseland. Excuse my ignorance. Interesting little article. These little dolls by this lady called Annika. They look fun. Beetroot, what a beautiful, beautiful image. How gorgeous is that? Draw a model, so like a life drawing, step by step there, if you can see. A little friendship book. Let's have a look. Oh, how sweet is that? That would be a nice little add to tuck in to another journal, won't it? Lovely neutral colours. Picking at the farm. Turn a shirt into an apron. Edith Wharton, Power Woman. If you can see that picture of this lovely lady, Edith Wharton. A little article about her in a book. How lovely! A natural historical location created by a woman. Ooh. Some sort of designer. Oh, look at this beautiful house. A poster of your family tree. Let's have a look at this. But look at this lovely little image just here. These beautiful journals. Right, let's have a look. This is huge, guys. I don't know if I'm going to get it all in shot. Oh, no. It's going to be a bit of a challenge. So I'm thinking, that's, yeah. So it's like a template really for your own family tree. Really useful. I love that just generally, actually. Just generally. TikTok, here comes winter time. I love that. I like that a lot. Like the clock's going back. Look at that lovely image. Lovely line drawing. I like that a lot. Spring forward and fall back. Yeah, it's a couple of weeks' time, isn't it? I think. I'll be changing the clocks, and I get all confused because Mum's abroad and I can never remember. I'm always ringing her at silly o'clock. I like that a lot. I'm just starting, oh dear, I've got so many projects in my head, whizzing around. That is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the neutrals on this. All the lovely, lovely neutrals. Life is food. Oh, interesting. So what are the... potatoes. A drawer. Tea towels with an autumnal design. There you go, guys. Little project. Stamping on your tea towels. Tasty friends. This is gorgeous, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. And that's the details of the subscription, which is very good. Unique magazines. That's where because I don't know, I never really see Daphne's Diary in any of these sort of shops around my area. So look at that, isn't that a lovely, beautiful image? Gorgeous colouring page. They've got a colouring book in the web shop. Who knew? Who knew? It's just a bit of a taster. 3D embroidery with Jessica Grady. Oh, you can hear that, sounds like a huge bee. Because I'm filming in the garden because it's quite nice light. What are these then? Oh, these look cutouts, I think, to make these little spheres, little decoration-y things. Interesting. Or you could just use them to collage on pages of the journal. I'm just trying to throw a little day book together for myself very quickly because my day book ran out in September. I didn't really have time to make the coffee one. Oh, I love that. I love that image. The next issue. It's very Parisian, doesn't it? So 20th of November is the next one, guys. It's going to hit the shops. So that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel before and this is just new and you like what you saw, just have a look around some of the other videos and like and subscribe if you fancy. Join me on my journey. Trying to do all sorts of journals and a few how-tos as well, on Instagram every day. Well, I try to be. It's been a bit hit and miss the last few days because I've been so busy and a bit poorly too. But anyway, that's it guys. Hope you enjoy and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye. Bye.